So, if you guys have been following me for a while, you'd know that there are some fixed hair products that I like to use and I don't change them very often. For example, I've used this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo for a very long time to wash my hair. No matter which shampoo I tried, I'd always come back to this one. And it's not because other shampoos are bad or anything, it's just that I know how this one works. And same goes for the hair oil. I've been using coconut oil as my primary hair oil for years now. And obviously I had some complaints with it. For once, it's just too heavy and weighs my hair down. It makes my hair greasy and oily, and you know how it smells. But despite all these things, I just kept using it because it was really good for my scalp and hair. But in 2021, I decided to go with some different products. Particularly the shampoo and the hair oil, as these are the hair products that I use the most. I also switched the hair serum, which I apply to my hair occasionally once a week. And we'll also talk about that. This video is not sponsored by any brand, so rest assured, I'm not getting paid to say anything that I'm going to. But I'll try to put the links of these products in the description in case you want to check them out. So as for the shampoo, I've been using this one from Man Matters. It's the anti-hair fall shampoo and it's got all the good stuff. It's got biotin, it's got caffeine, it's got argan oil, it's got DHT blocking capabilities, everything. And yes, it is sulfate, paraben and SLS free. So it happened very rarely, but sometimes when I washed my hair and it was still wet, I'd get this really odd smell from my head. It wasn't too high or unbearable, but it was there. But ever since I changed my shampoo to this one, that smell is gone. And ever since I started using this shampoo, I have noticed a reduced hair loss. So this shampoo might help if you're losing too many hair strands every day. Now let's move on to the hair oil, as this is the most important hair product for anyone. For the last 2 years, I have never left my hair without oiling and I completely trusted coconut oil, so I rarely used anything else. But it's time for a change and here I am with this. This is the Arvedic Air Oil from Ustra, and of course it's got all the good stuff built into it. It's got ashwagandha, neem, red onion along with 5 other natural herbs, so it has to be good. And I really like this Arvedic hair oil because it solved nearly all of the problems that I had with the coconut oil. For starters, the weight difference is huge. It is very light than coconut oil, due to which it doesn't weigh my hair down. Other than this, I also noticed a reduced hair fall. I am noticing less hair on the combs and the brushes that I use. And it also may help with dandruff, and I'm only saying this because it is written on the bottle. But with that being said, one thing that I noticed is that when I use this oil, the volume of my hair is reduced significantly, especially at the root area. Now I don't really know what's causing this problem. Maybe I'm just applying too much of it, or maybe this is how this oil works, but this is what I noticed. So this is the hair oil that I've switched to, and a complete review video of this oil is coming really soon, so be sure to stay subscribed if you're into that. And finally, let's talk about the hair serum. And by the way, if you're enjoying this stuff, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. So previously I used this one from L'Oreal and it was not bad at all. I didn't have much of a complaint with this one, but one thing that I didn't like about this serum was that while making my hair silky and shiny, it made my hair feel a little on the dry side. So I switched to this one. This is from Strakes and it completely solved the issue that I was having with the previous one. Plus it smells like a candy. Okay, so those were the main hair products that I have recently started using. I'm also using this beard growth kit from Ustra, and a review video for this kit is also coming really soon. So stay subscribed if you're interested. And with that being said, I'll see you around later.